So looking at Eurgbp from the yearly time frame, we just need to mark our key levels and look for a possible trading opportunity. So the first we mark our lows. So we can see this is the low here, but this low corresponds to this price difference, which we've explained in other videos. You can check them out. And then from here, we have a strong break to the upside. This is another price difference area here. So once we have that, we can also mark this as our potential support in case price pulls back into this area. And of course, our all-time high here, and then our resistance area here. Okay, so we are looking, price looking bearish. So if it reaches here, we would have a reaction and a trading opportunity. The same thing with this. From here, we can come to the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame, we still have about 17 hours for it to be able to close. Yeah, so that means we cannot say that this is our low and mean on the monthly. It has not yet closed. So since we have this, let's go to a candle time frame where which has closed. So that will be the weekly. Let's see whether the weekly we still have a day for it to be able to close. So we cannot decide whether this is bullish yet. But however, we can mark this. You study this, you see this strong break. That is our price difference. So we could put it here. But since we have its reaction from here, so this will become our high on this time frame, and then we would have another high here on this time frame. These are possible resistance areas. So from that being said, since price is at a low, we look to buy low, so we can come to the daily where the candle has closed. So on the daily, we want to study price here now. So if you look at this, we have this pattern here, double bottom, with this being our low, okay, which is our support area, and then the supporter is able to hold price here, 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 and then here. And then from here, we see this strong break to the upside, which is this one here. So from this strong break to the upside, the next thing we can actually do now is to look for trading opportunities. And that is if there is a pullback into this area, then this is where we shall begin to look for trading opportunities. And to be specific, we can now come to our lower time frames. Let's say the 1 hour or whatever. So the 1 hour can actually be okay because from the 1 hour, you'll see from this strong break here, we also have our demand area here. So now the best thing to be able to do is you wait, and then we have the possible resistance here, and then the other one here. So now the best thing you can actually do here is to come and wait for a pullback. If price pulls back into this area here, the next thing we shall wait a pattern. When we get a pattern, either another double bottom, inverted head and shoulders, or your order block, then we can actually trade. We first target this, and then eventually we go to this highs. So this is what we have on Eurgbp, and the reason is simple. It's just because we have an area of support here, which the market has not been able to break to the downside. Because if it had done so, we'll be looking for this area, but it has not done. Instead, price has broken above. So we are focused on buying this temporarily. Yeah, so that is what we want to see and be able to trade on Eurgbp.